Hi, welcome from Journey to the Well. I'm Shantel Beck, and I'm so excited to personally invite you to an exciting retreat here at the Well called Healthy from the Inside Out. This is a retreat weekend focused on helping women to take a deep breath, relax, and reconnect with God, themselves, and others. With me is Stephanie Martino, a very good friend of ours that is also going to be joining us and having a very impactful part of the weekend. And we're going to talk a little bit back and forth about what it's going to be like to attend this retreat. So, Stephanie, do you want to start with what you'd like to share?
Yeah, sure. First of all, I am super excited about this retreat. I've been telling all my friends, and I just cannot wait. Cannot wait to be there and to be on your beautiful property because it's just gorgeous from the videos. So a little bit about me. I am a speaker and a mindset coach, and a new author. I just actually released my first guided journal, so very excited about that. And the journal is the same topic as what I'm going to be talking about at your retreat. So it's all around this concept of releasing and receiving. If I could just share a little story that I think really demonstrates this well. My husband and I had a dog named Blue, and we would take him to the baseball field and inevitably to run around and play, right? And inevitably he would find a baseball that had been left over, and he loved baseballs. And so he would get this baseball in his mouth and he would not let go. And my husband and I would be wrestling him to the ground, trying to get him to release this baseball, and he would not let it go. We were breaking a sweat. Well, he brought the baseball home, the little thief that he was. And the only way we could get him to let go of that baseball was by offering him something better. Now, in his case, that was a hot dog. But once we offered him the hot dog, he had to release the baseball in order to receive the hot dog. We are the same way, right? We can hold on to things in our lives that are just not as good as what God is offering. So God has so many things he's offering us, just peace and love and acceptance and forgiveness and all these different things. But we can't receive those things unless we release what we're holding on to. And that could be anger, worry, bitterness, anxiety, all those different things. So that's the concept behind release and receive. And I am so excited to be able to take the women through this, get some movement in our bodies, and just do some of that reflection so they can start making those decisions. So I love the title of Healthy from the Inside Out. Can you share a little bit more about what does that actually mean? Where did that come from?
Yeah, so I'm deeply passionate about story work, and many of us carry deep stories in our hearts, in our bodies that need tending, and we may have never had the time or the space to unpack the pain that we carry. And during Healthy from the Inside Out, we are going to help people connect with their story, help them understand the impact that it's had in their life, and the redemption that Christ offers us now in the present.
Mm. That's beautiful. I am so excited to see how God is going to show up in this retreat and helping women really get in touch and understand what those stories are that they've been carrying. And I'm sure some of those stories have been really heavy, right? And so again, that's where what
Absolutely.
is it they need to release about those stories? And then where do they need to receive what God is offering them? I think this is going to be so awesome.
Yeah, I'm really excited. And just ladies, if you are feeling a prompting in your heart about coming to this retreat, that prompting is the Holy Spirit. And I'm telling you, it's going to be powerful. Stephanie and I have both worked very hard on this, along with Jordan, who's also going to be a part of helping us host this retreat. And so if you can come and join us September 12th to the 14th, we would love to have you. And it's going to be an unforgettable time. And we have a lot to offer here on this campus.